You've said this phrase for years, but its origin will shock you. In Jamaica, our words carry history. Our proverbs carry memory. And some of our everyday phrases come from moments we rarely talk about. Most people use "from Whappy, kill Fillup" to mean a very long time ago. But few know the tragedy that birthed those words. The story begins with Aston Jolly, better known as Whappy King. He was a burly, bearded handcart man from Patois, later called Tivoli Gardens. His reputation wasn't one of respect, but one of fear. He had stabbed a policeman, abused women, and built a name as a dangerous man. On the night of June 11, 1951, Whappy King committed a crime that would haunt Jamaica for decades. Along the empty stretch of Palisadoes Road, connecting Port Royal to Kingston, two young lovers were spending time together. Sidney Garrell, a 19-year-old student from St. George's College, and his girlfriend, Miss B. Hugh, were enjoying a quiet night. Whappy King attacked them in a storm of violence. He bludgeoned and stabbed Sidney, killing him on the spot. Miss Hugh suffered brutal assault, beating, and unimaginable terror. Left for dead, she somehow found the strength to crawl to the roadway. A passing motorist found her and alerted the authorities. Her survival would become the key to uncovering the truth. The police hunted for Whappy King, but it was his own girlfriend, Ruby, who finally led officers to him. After years of suffering his abuse, she had reached her breaking point. Tired of his violence, tired of washing his bloody clothes, tired of living in fear, her courage brought the island's most wanted man into custody. The trial captivated Jamaica. Crowds filled the courtroom. Newspaper headlines screamed the story. Miss Hugh, still battered, arrived in a wheelchair to testify. Her emotional account left no doubt. On November 12, 1951, Whappy King was found guilty of murder. A Gleaner headline famously read, "The victim died from a Whappy King Fillup." The word Fillup means a sudden blow. But as Jamaicans do, we reshape the phrase in our own way. Over time, it morphed into Whappy King Fillup, Whappy kill Fillup, and finally, Whappy kill Fillup. Even though the victim's name was Sidney, not Fillup, the transformed phrase lived on. Whappy King was hanged at St. Catherine District Prison on April 4, 1952. His life ended, but the expression born from his crime took on a life of its own. The fear faded, the details were forgotten, but the phrase survived, detached from the tragedy, wrapped in humor woven into Jamaican speech. Today, Jamaicans say "from Whappy kill Fillup" without realizing it. Connects us to a real moment in history, a reminder that language remembers what people sometimes forget. So the next time you hear someone say, "You'd foreign from Whappy kill Fillup," pause for a moment. Behind the laughter and the casual tone lies a story of violence, survival, justice, and the unpredictable ways memories live on in our language. In Jamaica, even our jokes come from somewhere. Even our sayings carry secrets. And sometimes the phrases we use every day were born from moments the island once wished it could forget. This is the true story behind Whappy kill Fillup, a piece of Jamaican history, hidden in plain sight, carried across generations, and still spoken today. If you love stories like this, true Jamaican history, hidden meanings, and cultural deep dives, remember to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I have plenty more stories coming that will open your eyes to the Jamaica you never learned in school.